Hi, good day. My name is Marlon A. Marrero. I am the owner of Marlon Technic TV YouTube channel, which was removed in YouTube Partnership Program due to repetitive content violation. I would humbly ask YouTube management to review my channel, as I believe that my channel is very much educational and non-repetitive. All of my videos was originally edited and made by me. My channel is all about solving tricky math word problem which have different level of difficulties. I made this video in order to share the study habit that I developed during my school years in analyzing and solving these tricky math word problems. Also, I uploaded short videos and videos about aviation to share my 14 years of experience in aviation industry. I uploaded basic to advanced knowledge which will be beneficial to aspiring and currently aviation mechanic professional. Also, this will be a quick reference guide to them if they want to pursue of having FAA and ESAA license. Lastly, before I uploaded my video, I'll make sure to review it and wait for YouTube or any restriction before I made my content for public viewing. I hope YouTube will reconsider my appeal and bring me back to YouTube Partnership Program and promise to continue providing useful and educational content following highest YouTube standard. Again, Marlon A. Marrero here, the owner of Marlon Technic TV. More power and God bless. Thank you.
How I edit my videos. I used CapCut Editor's features. Here is a sample on how I edit my videos. I write text message or narrative text on how to analyze the word problem and use CapCut text-to-speech features to generate voice messages. Then I used CapCut available music for my background music. Then overlay to attach picture or videos for my explanation to be more understandable. Thank you.